How to add a contact in Zangi app. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add a contact in Zangi app. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to open the Zangi mobile app and sign into your account. Once you're signed in and you're brought to the home page, the next thing that you have to do is to go to the top part of the screen where you can see some icons such as chat icon, the call icon, as well as the friends icon. Once you can see this, to click on the friends icon, and then once you've done that, you can see the option invite friends, right? So just click on that. Now, before you can invite friends or before you can add a contact on Zangi, ensure that you've enabled this access. For me, my own access has been disabled, so I'll just click on enable access, and then you'll be able to go to your settings page, just follow through the process, go to permissions, and then click on contacts. Again, click on allow, and now you can now go back to your Zangi app. All right. So once you're on the app now, you can now click on invite friends and then invite by SMS. Then after clicking on invite by SMS, your contact will be displayed here. So the next thing to do is to click on the person that you'd like to invite, then click on invite, and then once the person accepts the invitation, he or she will be added as a contact to your Zangi account. Just like that. So this is how you can add the contact on Zangi. Thanks for watching and have a good day.